Nana's Little Learners. Let's play to learn. Let's learn sight words. Hey, smart kids. Can you help me find the sight words? You can? Look, I think I see one. This is the sight word the. T-H-E spells the. Can you say the? Say the. Awesome job! Let's find some more sight words. Look, here comes another sight word. This is the sight word to. T-O spells two. Can you say two? Say two. Great job! Let's find some more. This is the sight word and. A-N-D spells and. Can you say and? Say it with me. And. Fantastic! Let's find some more sight words. Look, here comes another sight word. This is the sight word ah. Can you say ah? Say it with me. Ah. Good job. You're doing great. Let's find some more. Look, here comes another sight word. This sight word is I. Can you say I? Say it with me. I. Great job. Let's find some more. This sight word is you. It's spelled Y-O-U. Let's say it together. You. Excellent! I see another one. This is the sight word it. Say it with me. It. I-T spells it. Say it. Awesome work! Let's see if we can find some more sight words. This is the sight word in. I-N spells in. Let's say it together. In. You are getting so good at this. I see another one. This sight word is said. S-A-I-D spells said. Say it with me. Said. I'm so proud of you. Let's see if we can find some more sight words. Here's another one. This sight word is for. F-O-R spells for. Can you say for? Let's say it together. For. You did it! You're a rock star. But look, here comes another sight word. This one is up. U-P spells up. Say it with me. Up. Way to go! Fantastic! I see another one. This is the sight word look. L O O K spells look. Say it with me. Look. You're doing a great job. Look, I see another one. Is. I S spells is. Let's say it together. Is. You did it. Let's find some more sight words. I see another one. This sight word is go. G-O spells go. Say it with me. Go. You're getting so good at this. Awesome reading. Here comes another sight word. We. Let's spell it. W-E spells we. Say it with me. We. Way to go. Let's find some more. Oh, here comes the sight word. Down. D-O-W-N spells down. Okay, let's say it together. Down. Fantastic job. You're so good at this. Awesome work. Let's find some more sight words. This sight word is can. C-A-N spells can. Now let's say it together. Can. You're doing great. Let's find some more. Here comes another one. This sight word is see. S-E-E spells see. Say it with me. See. Awesome work. Let's find some more sight words. Here it comes. This sight word is not. Let's spell it. N-O-T spells not. Say it with me. Not. Way to go! You're so good at this. Awesome work. This sight word is one. O-N-E spells one. Let's say it together. One. Woohoo! You got it! Look, I see another one. This sight word is my. Let's spell it. M-Y spells my. Say it with me. My. You're a sight word superstar. Here comes another one. This sight word is me. M-E spells me. Let's say it together. Me. You got it. Let's see if we can find some more sight words. Look, I see another one. Big. B-I-G spells big. Say it with me. Big. Perfect. I see another one. Here it comes. This sight word is was. Let's spell it. W-A-S. Spells was. Now let's say it together. Was. Great job! Awesome reading!
Thanks for watching, kids!